everyone, as we all are grown-ups, do you think of the career that you want to choose for yourself? Yes? Yes? So what type of job do you like? Do you like government job or do you want to do a private job?
I want to like government job.
You want a government job?
Yes.
Okay. And what about the next person?
I want to government job.
Government job.
Yes, I also want to government job.
So, 3 people in a line said they want government job. There must be some reason behind it, is it?
Yes.
Everyone, while choosing the career, we have strong preferences, right? What I want to choose. Do I want to choose a government job or do I want to choose a private job? Or which skill do I want to focus on? We have our own choices. That's how we decide our career, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And sometimes with that everybody, we forget that we should focus on our passion more. Right?
Yes.
So that's why today we have this lesson that is
Government job.
government jobs. This is what we are going to talk about today, everybody. So I would say that there is no type of job that is better. Government job and private job have equal benefits. It's just what we are going to find out today. All right? So in the objective, we just saw a word. What is that word? Pros and cons. Do you know the meaning of pros and cons, everybody?
Yes.
Can you please share the meaning of pros and cons?
Pros as a profit and cons is a loss.
You can say that. Nearly correct. So we can say, everybody, pros means the benefits of something or cons means the challenges that you might face or the harms. Have you understood?
Yes.
Benefits or harms. Have we understood? Yes. So we are going to talk about the pros and cons of government job and private job. All right, everyone. For that, I want you all to open your SRBs. Can you please open your SRBs?
Yes.
Have you all opened?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please read what is given in part A?
Yes, so here is written list some pros and cons of government and private jobs in the chart below.
Yes. The chart is given there. Is it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
You will find a chart like this. Here government job is written and here private job is written. Is it?
Yes.
Then there are rows with pros and
Cons.
Cons.
Is it the same thing given in your
Yes.
SRB? So right now we are going to write the pros and cons of government and private job in our SRB with our peers. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start writing, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to share some of the pros and cons now? Yes. So let's start with the government job. Can you share what are the pros of government job?
Yeah. One is pros of government job is that we can get much salary than private job.
Okay, you are saying we can get more salary. And what makes you say that? Can you give us any example? What makes you say that government job gives more salary? They are excited to answer. Yes.
If I do a job of teacher in private sector, we get less salary, and if I do a job of teacher in government job, we get more salary.
All right. So Mukesh, I want to know something from you. So if you become a teacher, if you become a government teacher, would you expect some promotions in your future or not?
No.
You do not want promotion or career advancement?
I want promotion, but there is less promotion in government job. But if I talk about private job, there is a great chance for promotion in private job.
Yes. Now see, he shared by himself. So we have this thing in our mind, everybody, that government job gives more salary. But it's not like that. We get better salary in private job as well and government job as well. Right? It's just that in the entry level, government job gives you more salary, but private job, as you get promotions, your salary becomes higher. Okay, let's listen to some more pros of government job. Yes?
The pros of government job: job security, fixed working hour, and paid holidays,
Okay.
and retirement benefit, and most of benefit of government job.
So you talked about security, paid leaves, and
Retirement benefits.
okay. So let's think of the private job now. Can we say that private job also gives us paid leaves? Is it? Yes, please share.
Yes, in my opinion, if I talk about private jobs, then there are many benefits. Like we can get paid leaves also.
Okay.
Also, there are many facilities like we can get travel expenses also, which we are not getting in government jobs. That's all.
All right. All right. So you are sharing that you get some expenses. The leaves are paid as government job. There is no difference in that. Okay. Let's talk about some cons now. Cons of government job. Who would like to share?
The course of government job, and there is also limited scope, and career growth is not a government job.
Yes. Scope is limited when you get into the government job. You have to invest a lot of years to grow in your position.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay. And what about the private jobs? What can you share any of the con of private job?
In private jobs, usually we don't have the that fixability that at this much time we are fixed, because these are private jobs. There we don't have any kind of confirmation of the job that we
Okay.
can work till then, after till our retirement.
Okay.
We can be leave that job in the middle as well.
So you are saying job security
Job
is less.
security is less.
All right. Okay. So right now we talked about some pros and cons of government job, everybody. And there is one thing that I observed. We all were talking about the salary that we get, the leaves that we get, or the security that we have or not. But how many of you thought that we should think about our passion and interest also? Yes. Did you think of that? Yes. That which type of job is bringing you closer to your passion or interest? Did you think of that?
Yes.
So this is the very little mistake that we do when we are choosing for our career, right?
Yes.
If I see my big brother doing good in private job, I will think, okay, private job is better. If I see someone doing good in government job, I will think government job is better. But am I thinking of my passion and interest? No. So we should choose a job that brings us close to our passion or interest, because each job has some pros and some cons. Fine, everyone?
Yes.
All right, everybody. So right now we just discussed that passion and skill and interest is also important to choose the job. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. So there are some people who are about to choose the career for themselves. Okay? So those people are Ramesh, Suganya and Hari. And the detail about their choice is given in our SRB.
Yes.
Where is it given?
In our SRB.
Now what you have to do, everybody, you have to read their choice and you have to tell that is their skill or passion matching to the job that they have selected for themselves or not? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take 5 minutes to read that, everybody. Yes. Have you all read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. So let's talk about the first scenario. Okay. Can you please read the first scenario?
Anya is very creative and loves to come up with new ideas. She does her best work when every day is different.
So you are saying Suganya is very creative. Everybody, let's be focused. Suganya has some skills. First of all, her skill is,
She is very creative.
yes, the first skill that she has is creativity. Is there any other skill mentioned?
Yes, she has new ideas also.
She has new ideas each day.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Now, which job is she applying for?
She is applying for administrative clerk.
Clerk. Yes, better it is. Yes, she is applying for administrative clerk. Do you know who is administrative clerk? And where do they work?
Yes, I can guess that where did they work? They did work in.
They work in,
They work in government sector.
yes, they work in government sector.
Yes.
Do you think that her creativity can be utilized in this job?
No,
What
ma'am.
do you think?
No.
How? What makes you say that?
Yes, because she is doing job in government sector. Yes, and so
She wants to do job in government sector.
she wants to do, but there she can't use her creativity
Why so?
because there is no need to do.
There are files and other things, and they
Yes.
have to apply their logical thinking there,
Yes.
right? I agree. So is government job a best fit? Is administrative clerk a best fit for Suganya?
Private job. She fit in private job because of their skills. She is creative and she got new ideas every day. So as for my opinion, she fits in private job.
Okay, I agree with what you are saying, but partially. I would say she fits in a job which requires creativity. It's not about government job or private job. Yes. If she has a government job which includes creativity, she can definitely choose it. Right? Does anybody want to add any point, or should we move ahead to the next scenario? Please share. Let's read the next scenario.
Okay.
Yes.
Ramesh works harder than most people. He always arrives on time and completes his duties. He wants a job where he can be rewarded for his hard work by being recognized and promoted.
So there are a few skills that Ramesh has, and he has some wishes as well. Right? What is the skill that Ramesh has? Skill. Can you please share which skill does Ramesh has?
Diligent person. Hard worker. मतलब.
Hard work. So he is hard working. Is there any other thing?
Yes. Punctuality.
Punctuality. Can you please answer in full sentence?
Ramesh has punctuality.
Ramesh has punctuality as well. Is there anything else that you want to add?
Hard person.
Yes, they are ready to share.
Ramesh is hard worker.
Yes, we have already written it.
Ramesh is time of value. Do
Yes,
punctually.
that is also here.
Okay.
Yes.
As it is written here, he completes his duties. So we can understand that he is responsible person.
He is responsible or integrous towards his
Duties.
duties, right? Okay. Fine. So Ramesh is a responsible person also. These are some of the wishes of Ramesh. Now can you share what does he want? There are some needs also written of Ramesh. Who wants to share? Yes?
Actually, Ramesh wants that job where he can be rewarded also and get
He
more
wants some
promotions.
rewards as well.
Can get
Okay.
more some promotions as well.
Appreciation plus
Promotions.
promotion. And which job is he applying for?
It is written here that he is applying for the railway attendant.
Railway attendant job. Now, if this administrative clerk job is not a good fit for Suganya, then can you please suggest some of the jobs for her? Yes? Who is going to suggest? Please suggest any job where she can use her skill.
Yes, ma'am. She can start her YouTube channel, and there she can use her creativity and new ideas. She can share with other people. In this way, she will get appreciation and she can get good money also.
All right. So you are sharing that she can earn good with the help of
YouTube.
starting a YouTube channel as well.
Yes.
Will it be secure for her for a long time?
Yes. Because
How?
every day, if she will upload daily she will upload daily videos, so in this way she will get more audience, and by engaging audience she will earn more money.
Very nice. Thank you so much for sharing such a wonderful example. Let's talk about more of the jobs. Right now I can see we are suggesting many business ideas. Can we share some of the jobs, please?
She can apply from teacher also, as because teachers is also creative. She create our lesson very well. There in one lesson she can understand. She can make student understand new ideas. So teacher is also one of the option to show your creativity.
Yes, absolutely. And like this, there are many other jobs. She can be a writer. She can learn some skills of graphics and become a graphic designer. As suggested, she can become a decorator, right? Yes. Do you want to add something?
Yes, she become a content writer.
Very nice.
Yes.
She can become a content writer as well. Yes.